So, finally, we've got something solid to work with, proper CAD-based renders of the iPhone Fold, complete with dimensions. These are the first legit renders pulled straight from CAD drawings made for case and accessory makers. Once you actually see them, those odd dimensions we've been hearing about suddenly make sense. The big takeaway? Apple clearly didn't want a square inner display. When unfolded, the iPhone Fold opens in landscape mode, measuring 167.6 mm wide and 120.6 mm tall, giving you a 7.76-inch inner screen with a 2713 by 1920 resolution. This isn't a scrolling first display, it's designed for side-by-side apps, reading, and videos with fewer black bars. Essentially, it's a mini iPad experience that just happens to fold. But here's the controversial part. The folded width is 83.8 mm. For context, even today's largest phones, like the iPhone 17 Pro Max, are around 77 to 78 mm. This makes one-handed use tricky for anyone with average-sized hands, changing how people will think about this device. It's starting to feel less like a phone that unfolds and more like a pocketable tablet. On the inside, you can spot an under-display selfie camera built into the main panel. Apple wouldn't experiment with this unless it met their high standards. On the outside, a hole punch camera sits on the cover display, while the back features a dual camera setup in an oval-shaped bar. Clean, deliberate, and closer to the iPhone Air design, no massive camera islands or triple lens flex. The overall shape is wide and short, not tall and narrow, similar to Google's Pixel Fold rather than Samsung's approach. Google already proved a wider, tablet-like foldable can work in real life, and Apple seems to be refining that idea. The big question remains, is Apple pushing the width too far this time? Let me know what you think in the comments. That's all for this video, peace.